I'm Carol Thompson with Keller Williams Lifestyles Realty. I'm back in Port Stanley, and check out the listing with this view. We're along Lake Erie here and right on the beach. So we're at 374 Edith Cavell, unit number 18. We're out on the back deck, and obviously we've got the great view on this one, but we've also got a nice screened in porch over here. So it's nice that you can come over here, sit and enjoy even if it's raining outside. So that's outside. Let's go check out what this condo has to offer. So we enter in off the sliding door, and what a great space this is. Hardwood floors, beautiful beachy color tones, another sliding door off of that screened porch. And the great thing is, as we go through here, check out all the furniture. The sellers can leave all of the furniture with the house, so it's move-in ready and turnkey. It's a great little hallway. We've got lots of storage. And we've got our two-piece bathroom over here as well. Lots of space in here. You've got a nice wet bar, and of course now you've got your dining room. So a lot to offer in here. Bar fridges, your refrigerator and everything can stay with the property. And let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. So this second level is a great space. You come into the spare bedroom here. Lots of closet space. Good size room. Lead into that cheater ensuite. And then we come into this gorgeous master bedroom. There's so much space in here. Great closet, lots of seating areas. Can fit a king-size bed. And the one thing that I really love, it has its own balcony. So come on out and let's look at that view one more time. So that's our tour at 374 Edith Cavell, unit number 18. If you're interested in this condo, give me a call. I'm Carol Thompson with Keller Williams Lifestyles Realty, and I can be reached on my cell at 519-857-9989. Come play in Port Stanley Sandbox.